So I've come up with this crazy idea to wear homemade outfits every single day of a week, whether I'm working from home or whether I'm going to be actually going to work. I currently work 2 days of the week and the rest of the days I work from home. It's going to be very interesting seeing what I actually curate on those 7 days of the week. Let's see how it goes, but I would like you to join me on this journey. Tag me on Instagram or Facebook to let me know how you get on if you do decide to join in with this crazy idea. Yes, let's do this. Today I have started off with this polka dot. It's a very light viscose fabric. I used it to make this gorgeous self-drafted statement sleeve dress with a 1-tier ruffled skirt. But then the skirt doesn't actually start at the waist, it starts below the hip, and it's a midi dress. I've paired it with some knee-high flat boots, and that's what I've decided to wear today. And I decided to go with a pink lip to see if you'll just, you know, sometimes you just got to add that pop of colour, haven't you? So I know it's bright and this is bright, but you know, we've got to do these things to brighten up our days. So that's my outfit for day number 1. Let's see how day number 2 goes. See you later. It's day 2 today. I'm working from home today and I've got something very dressy today because I just feel like dressing up. I had extra time because I didn't have to commute to work. So I put on some makeup and I've got this green dress. My favorite part about this dress is I love the ruffles, these ruffles here. They're my favorite part of this dress. But yeah, I'm just gonna do my homeschooling. My daughter's upstairs learning. I'm down here, I've got my remote learning going on very soon. And in between, I get some sewing done as well. It's day 3 and I am about to leave for work, and today I have this dress made out of very light viscose fabric. It's a self-drafted dress, but it's got a slit in front and it's got drama. Full sleeves. Right, so it's a new day today and I am wearing my white blouse. This blouse I made this month actually, and I am about to film a video sharing how I made this coat. So that's the reason why I'm all made up. But it's a Saturday, there's no work, and I am just at home, but I am dressed up because I'm about to film a video. That's why. But I'm wearing my white blouse. I am wearing my white blouse with a pair of jeans because I'm at home. So we currently have these 2 options, but it's really cold outside and I think I'm going to go with this one because it's got this fleeced backing there, so it's a lot warmer. We are about to go out to do some shopping for the week, so yes, this will be my dress for today. I'm going to be wearing this. It's called the Tabitha shirt dress from Tilly and the Button's most recent book, and I will be pairing it with tights and a pair of boots.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
Why?
With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
Stop doing that, that's not safe.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
So today, I've actually lost count of what day it is, but I am wearing a Me Made dress. It's another Tabitha t-shirt dress. I was actually going to wear this yesterday, but I changed my mind. So this one here, I paired it with a beret and a cardigan. And this dress here is a fave. It's a fave, but it's just super cold today, so I decided to pair it with this cardigan. I am homeschooling today and I am remote teaching today as well, which is the reason why I need this cardigan to keep warm, because it gets quite cold in here. Good morning. It's another day that I have to go to work and I have on this beautiful blouse. It was actually made from the Bakerloo pattern from Nina Lee London. I have it paired with a pair of jeans and, you know, knee-high boots. Very, very simple because I had to rush off to work today and I woke up late, so I didn't have much time to put on makeup at all, but I still felt pretty wearing it. And I also threw the same coat that I wore a few days ago because I couldn't be bothered to find another coat. I know it wasn't coordinated, but I mean, I only needed it to get from the house to the car and from the car to the building, my work building. Good afternoon. It's afternoon, everyone. It's afternoon.
I've been waiting all night. Watch you blow a mile. Please don't come over, 'cause you're not sober.
Alright, it's not here, so guys, I will have to say goodbye to you. So bye.
If you two knew you was coming over, that would be a
you too, bye.
If our friends knew.
So I've just finished off a Zoom meeting with my class. Today I'm working from home, as you can tell. Currently I am wearing a dress. It's not too cold in London today, and this dress, I'm actually very warm at home. Heating's on. Let's show you what I have on. It's a dress that I made, and this dress is a bottom down dress, and it's a sewing pattern that I have developed, and it'll be coming, it's for a project that's coming up very soon. And this dress has pockets on the side, and I'm wearing tights because it's still cold, but not very cold. Yeah, I need to make this elastic here a bit more snug because it's quite loose. This one sits exactly where I want it to sit, but this one's a bit looser. So I will just like strengthen this one. But yes, that's what I'm wearing today. Nothing fancy. But I quite like it. It's quite fancy, but yeah. I actually think that what's worked well for me is the fact that I had everything that I wanted to wear this week all laid out. And I think preparing in advance helps you to choose the things that you actually really want to wear rather than just grabbing a pair of jeans and a sweater. So this exercise has actually helped me to put in more intention and effort into selecting things that I want to wear, because ordinarily I would just go straight for the easy options, which is always jeans and something warm. But yes, this has been nice, really, really nice. But you know what, for me now it isn't a challenge because I've got into the habit of it now. I look forward to wearing beautifully made clothes that I've made at home. But yeah, I hope you get inspired to wear your own makes and not just save them for special occasions. Anyway, let's see what tomorrow brings.
Then let's be happy, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between